National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northeastern Douglas County, northwestern Edgar County, southern Vermilion County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. Joseph to Passotum and moving east-southeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Sydney, Villa Grove, Homer, Broadlands, Fairmount, Allerton, Newman, Catlin, Sidell, Hume, Westville, Georgetown, Ridge Farm, Chrisman, Longview, Murdoch, Jamaica, Palermo, Indianola, and Metcalfe. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 216 and 224.